Do your commercial or strata properties' common areas look tired, dirty, or covered in mold? Clean, well-maintained spaces are essential for creating a positive impact on clients, visitors, and tenants alike. Our process starts with a professional-grade, high-pressure clean to remove dirt, grime, and years of build-up. With advanced equipment and trained staff, we ensure a spotless result whilst protecting your surfaces from damage. Next, we apply a specialised mould treatment to sanitise the surface and help slow the return of future mould growth, keeping the area cleaner for longer. A thorough rinse follows, ensuring the surface is perfectly prepared. If you're just looking for a facelift without the extras, we can stop here. But if you want to protect your investment by sealing, we proceed with the next steps. Our final step is sealing. This adds a protective layer that enhances stain resistance, reduces maintenance needs, and helps to preserve the fresh, clean look of your property. With our experienced team and professional grade equipment, we deliver exceptional results efficiently and with minimal disruption to tenants or operations. The result? Clean, professional spaces that leave a lasting impression on everyone who uses them. Ready to elevate your property's appearance? Contact Superior Exterior Cleaning today for expert concrete cleaning and sealing services.